Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, good morning. We have another nice day of weather on tap. Yesterday was a beach day for many, looking at, temperatures reaching the 80s during the afternoon away from the shoreline. Maybe not quite as warm today, thinking the 70s, a good bet, but still very nice across our area for our Saturday. Here's Narragansett. You can see, again, quiet conditions here. The water's pretty calm. No thunderstorms, no showers, no rain to contend with. Here out in Providence, blue sky, sunshine taking shape, and that's the theme for the forecast for today. So here's the radar. It's quiet, and this is how it's going to be staying for today and actually for the majority of the weekend. But we do have a couple shower chances in there. Temperatures right now, 57 in Providence, 56 in Newport, 53 in New Bedford. And again, we'll be back into the 70s for this afternoon. So my three key things: overall, pretty nice weekend. Again, a couple shower chances in there for later Memorial Day Monday. And right now it looks to be the second half of the day featuring those showers. And then, of course, hurricane season is about a week away. It's actually a week away from today. So looking at the forecast, the outlook from the Hurricane Center from that as well. We'll see that in a moment. So satellite radar. Here's what we're looking at: high pressure in control across the northeast, thankfully keeping us nice and dry. And again, that continues not only for today, but actually for much of the weekend. But we, again, have some clouds increasing by the time we get into Monday and even some shower chances. But no clouds for today. 9 a.m. sunshine temperatures, again, reaching the 70s later on today. 3 p.m. thinking a good chance of mid to upper 70s away from the shoreline. Someone may even get close to 80 degrees later on today. Excuse me, notice the coastline is a little bit cooler because, as we know, this time of year, that sea breeze kicks up during the afternoon and it knocks those temperatures down at the beaches quite a bit. So you have to drive a few miles inland to see those warmer temperatures. Just was the case yesterday and also on Thursday as well. Staying quiet though and dry right through this evening. Good night for maybe catching the sunset or going for a late night dinner outside. Tomorrow morning, looking at some extra clouds around early on, but we're going to call it partly sunny skies. I do think we'll see some breaks of sun in there as well. Can't rule out a passing shower. We have about a 20% chance of a shower for Sunday. It's not a big deal. Would not cancel plans and really worry too much about the forecast in terms of the rain, but looking at, again, at least a blend of sun and clouds with a passing shower possible. Here's 3 p.m., by the way, Sunday afternoon. Notice temperatures not quite as warm, but still where there is the sun shining, because it's a strong sun in the May this time of year. 70s where the sun is. Notice if there's any clouds holding on further south and east, cooler temperatures in the 60s. So again, this time of year, the wind direction and the cloud cover play a big part in terms of what kind of weather we're seeing. Bay forecast for today, Saturday, looking pretty good. Visibility unlimited, about 1 foot for waves. A high tide comes in around almost 10 o'clock this morning, and low tide later on this afternoon at about 3. So beach forecast for the next few days. Things looking pretty good for today. Again, Sunday, a blend of sun and clouds, cooler as well, near 70. And then looking at some extra clouds and some late day showers on Monday with temperatures only in the 60s. So I mentioned the hurricane outlook. Here is the outlook, what we're looking at. Named storms, NOAA's forecast 17 to 25. Hurricanes 8 to 13. And looking at major hurricanes about 4 to 7 as again, this is a forecast from the Hurricane Center for the upcoming hurricane season. 7-day forecast, things looking good through Sunday. Extra clouds and a few showers later Monday, and then keeping it seasonable as we go through the middle of next week. As always, that full 7-day forecast can be found on our website at WPRI.com. So, Joe, I know I went through that hurricane graphic kind of quick, but things looking active, at least in the forecast part of the hurricane season. So,
yeah, it's
something
coming
to watch.
It's coming. We had El Nino last year, didn't we?
La Nina.
Yeah,
La Nina is when we have an active
pattern. Okay,
yeah.
I'll have to do a little more research. I'll learn from the expert a little bit. Well, let's switch over to some fast food because nearly 80%